everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my October Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. So please stick around. We'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I typically upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. It would mean the world to me if you would please click the subscribe button down there, and this way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So I do have the October Ipsy Glam Bag. Thankfully, I am in the picture today versus on Tuesday. I am feeling a little bit better. Still residual, but way better than I was. So let's go ahead and jump in and talk about this bag. Now with Ipsy, there is an app that you can actually use that you make your choices on. It's a little bit easier to manage than the BoxyCharm. Sometimes I don't even get notified of what's going on with BoxyCharm. So I do like that there is an app, but the bad thing is as soon as you open the app, you can see all of the things that you're getting. So I do kind of know most of the things that I'm getting in the bag, but let's go ahead and jump in. The bag this month I do think is really pretty. I like the black with the gold accents. On the back it says "Your Magic." I do really like that. Nice little star and moon zip pull right here. So let's jump in and talk about the products. They do include a little card here with "Your Magic." And it actually does have my products listed inside. I did see a couple of reviews that they didn't get a card, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. But let's jump into the very first product, and it is wrapped in bubble wrap. And I have no idea what this is, actually. What the heck is that? Okay, so this is the smallest eyeshadow I think I have ever received. This is the Mascara powder eyeshadow in Horde. It is a rose gold. The full-size sample is $23. Literally, this is the smallest eyeshadow I have ever received in my whole entire life. Let's swatch it. So, it's as big as my finger. Anyways, I do think that is a gorgeous color. That is a little bit rose gold, although it's kind of a more goldy rose gold, if that makes any sense. You saw I just swashed my finger around in there kind of once or twice, and then that is just one swatch. It is gorgeous. I do really think that's very pretty. I do think it's an itty bitty sample, but gorgeous shadow. I am excited to try that. So that is the first product. The next product in here is very nice. I'm super excited about this. This is actually the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And so you can use this as a primer. You can wear it on its own. Lots of people rave about it. I know there are quite a few beauty gurus on YouTube that just rave about this. I believe Tati being one of them. It smells a little lemony. This is what it looks like. It is kind of a thick cream. There is kind of a yellowish beige tint to it, and it is very much like a balm. So it's not a cream that you can stick your finger in really hard and dig a whole lot out. And then it is just nice and hydrating and beautiful. My dogs! As always, it wouldn't be a video without the dogs making an occurrence. My brain is still not working, so I can't find quite the right words. At any rate, it says this nourishing primer is enriched with hydrating E, vitamins B and C. Use it to keep your makeup looking smooth, fresh, and gorgeous. And full size is $60. Again, not a full size, but it is a pretty good sized product here. You only need a very little bit on your face. I have never tried this, but I've always wanted to. So super excited about this. I will absolutely be testing this out under my makeup. So very nice second product. Third product in here is the Dulce Ultra Precision Eyeliner in black. It is creamy. It has a waterproof formula. It stays in place. This does look like a full-size product, and it is $23, I think is what it says. That's a little bit hard to read there. I've had a couple of other Dulce liners. I have not been impressed with them. The last one I had was a liquid eyeliner. I believe it had a felt tip. It was also supposed to be waterproof. It is absolutely not waterproof. So we'll definitely have to see. I do like it. It is nice and creamy. It is a plastic kind of wooden pencil that you will need to sharpen to get the tip back, and they do not include a sharpener with it, which is fine. I have one of my own. I do like the sleek packaging with just a little bit of details on there. We'll swipe on that in just a second after we go to the next product. So it's nice to have a full-size product. I do like a black eyeliner. We'll see how it works. This is another product that I am super excited about. This is the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. It's supposed to help keep your eyelashes curled, make them look big and fluffy. Full size value of this is $26. This is the one that looks like that rollout brush that you get that you use with your hair at the full size. And so I am going to open this because I'm interested to see what the wand looks like. So there is the wand. It smells like baby powder. So excited about that. This is another product that I really have wanted to try. But for me, buying a full-sized, expensive or high-end mascara doesn't make sense. I don't use them up quick enough because I have tons that I'm trying. So super excited by this. I do think that's a great product. And then it looks like we have one more product that is not in the bag. It is in the mailer still. And this is the Firma Beauty Elite B103 Angled Contour Brush. And so you can see it is angled. It does feel really nice and soft. Of course, this is a full size. It is $14.99. And basically they recommend it to apply your highlighter, wow, highlighter or your contour. And I could definitely see that, although I do like it for a highlighter. I tend to like I like a blinding highlighter that really shows up, but I tend to use a denser brush because that is what I like. So I do like this. This would be a denser, bigger brush to kind of apply your highlight. Of course, definitely for contour. And it does feel really soft and nice. So I do like that. Let's check now that this has had quite a few minutes and see. So it is not smudging on my finger, on my hand at all. It is wearing away a little bit. There is just a tinge, I don't know if you can see it, of black on my finger. And it says it's waterproof, so let's test that. You can see that it's starting to smear right there. So I would not say that it is waterproof. Granted, I didn't let it set for 10 or 15 minutes, but I don't think with a waterproof product that you should have to do that, especially with a pencil eyeliner. Anyways, that is the Ipsy October box. I do really like some of the products. Like, I really am excited for this Bobbi Brown face base. I love that. I love the I love the IT Lash Blowout Mascara. Excited for that. Certainly always happy to have a brush and it feels really nice. Although this is the smallest eyeshadow I have ever seen, it is absolutely gorgeous. You can still see that on there. Beautiful. So I like that. And then certainly always okay for a pencil, although I wish it were really waterproof. Again, this is the Glam Bag. It is the $15 a month one. If you buy more up front, I think it goes down to like $12 or something like that. So definitely a good deal. I do really like this. I think it was a really good month overall. So excited by this for sure. What did you guys get in your Ipsy bags this month? Do you guys do the Glam Bag? Do you do the higher ones? There's one at 25 and one at 50. What are your thoughts about them? Please drop me a line. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.